You notice a crack in your wall. At first, it seems small. Maybe it's just paint. Maybe it's normal. But then it gets wider, and suddenly you're asking a question that worries many homeowners. Is my building safe? The truth is that not all cracks are dangerous. Some are completely harmless. Others may indicate serious structural problems. In this video, we'll look at the most common causes of building cracks, how to identify warning signs, and what you should do if cracks start appearing in your building. A crack is simply a separation within a material. Cracks can occur in paint, plaster, masonry, concrete, and structural elements. Not all cracks are equal. Some affect appearance. Others affect structural performance. The first step is understanding the difference. The location and pattern of a crack often matter more than its existence. Cause number 1. Normal building settlement. Buildings settle after construction. As the structure transfers loads into the ground, small movements occur. This process is often completely normal. Minor settlement cracks may appear around doors, windows, and wall intersections. These cracks are often small and stable. Small settlement cracks are common in many buildings. Cause number 2. Foundation movement. Foundation movement is more serious. When soil shifts unevenly beneath a building, different parts of the structure move at different rates. This can create diagonal cracks, stair-step cracks, and widening cracks. Common causes include poor drainage, weak soils, erosion, and poor foundation design. Foundation-related cracks should never be ignored. Cause number 3. Moisture problems. Water is one of the most destructive forces affecting buildings. Moisture can cause expansion, material deterioration, corrosion of reinforcement, loss of structural strength. Leaks and poor drainage often contribute to cracking. Controlling water is essential for building durability. Cause number 4. Temperature changes. Building materials expand when heated. They contract when cooled. Over time, repeated expansion and contraction create stress. Without proper movement joints, cracks may develop. Even normal weather conditions can contribute to cracking. Some cracks deserve immediate attention. Warning signs include cracks that continue growing, wide cracks, diagonal cracks, bulging walls, doors and windows that no longer close properly, visible foundation movement. These symptoms may indicate structural issues. Monitor changes over time. Growing cracks require investigation. Engineers don't simply look at a crack. They investigate the cause. This may involve site inspections, crack measurements, foundation evaluation, drainage assessment, structural analysis. The goal is to identify the source of movement. Repairing the crack without fixing the cause is only a temporary solution. Prevention starts before construction begins. Good design matters. Good foundations matter. Proper drainage matters. Quality construction matters. Regular maintenance matters. The most durable buildings are built with long-term performance in mind. Most serious cracks are easier to prevent than repair. Cracks are one of the most common concerns homeowners face. But not every crack means disaster. The key is understanding what type of crack you're seeing and what may be causing it. Small cosmetic cracks are often normal. Growing structural cracks require professional attention. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Have you ever discovered a crack in your home? And what did you do about it? Don't forget to subscribe for more practical insights on architecture, civil engineering, renewable energy, and smarter building decisions.